everyone, my name is Etienne Laval, and today I will be discussing the profitability trends for Allstate as well as the industry trends for the property and casualty insurance industry. There was a small trend in Allstate's profitability that occurred between the years 2006 and 2008. Its profits grew from $1,765 million in 2005 to $4,993 million in 2006. Allstate then began to experience a decline in their profits for the next few years. According to the 10K report for Allstate, profits decreased to $4,636 million in 2007. In 2008, net income was actually a negative $1,679 million. In 2009, Allstate was able to jump back to a positive figure of $854 million. Now we turn to the property and casualty insurance industry. According to propertycasualty.com, Robert Hartwig and Jay Ralph discussed the major trends in the property and casualty insurance industry, which are catastrophe losses, climate change, technology, and demographics. They mentioned that catastrophe losses would persist into the coming decade. If the private markets refuse to cover these losses, there will be more pressure on the government to be responsible for these types of risks. Climate change continues to be a global problem. Insurers will have to meet the demands for professional liabilities, environmental issues, and emerging risks for green buildings. Technology provides improved pricing formulas for insurance. It also gives power to customers in the form of choices and information. Some fear that technology can lead to the departure of live agents. According to Hartwig, this does not pose a threat. He notes that the number of agents handling business has not changed and will not change in the following decade. Mr. Ralph notes that technology will provide better connectivity, which will allow insurers to offer more services to their clients. New challenges are being presented to insurers as Americans hold off on retiring. Older workers are more prone to injuries, taking time off, auto accidents, and being involved in lawsuits for age discrimination. All these possibilities are added risks for insurers since the demographic is retiring much later. In reference to the online Wall Street Journal 5-year industry comparison, the property and casualty insurance industry has been mostly performing below the market index. Between 2005 and 2006, the industry was performing above the market in some occasions, but after that its performance was below it. Allstate has been performing below the industry and the market from mid-2005 till today.